Hi friends, welcome to your InfoTech channel. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. The last video session, we will discuss about HTML introduction, HTML file extensions, and HTML advantage of using HTML. In this session, we will learn HTML tags, HTML structure, and HTML lang attribute and meta tags. First, go with this HTML tags. So before going to explain this HTML tags, so I just explain some basic history. This World Wide Web Consortium, so we have in the industry, we had two types of markup language available. One is XML, another one is HTML. These two markup languages exist in the IT industry. In 1998, this XML plus HTML came existing as XHT. An improved version, a practical version was introduced in the IT sector. It has advanced features like we have the XHTML containing SMS, MMS, electronic mails, and advanced websites. Was introduced. SMS means short messaging services that you can use it to daily basis to send the text messages. MMS stands for multimedia services, and to send the images to the friends to messages. And electronic mails, in ancient days they used to send to electronic, and nowadays we are using Gmails. Advanced website means the mobile compatibility. The most advanced mobile compatibility devices was introduced in the advanced websites. So mobile compatibility also introduced in these advanced websites. So this HTML produce is for to the industry like SMS, MMS, electronic mails, and advanced websites. So we have HTML versions available like HTML 1.0, HTML2, like 3.0, HTML3, 3.2, and HTML4. And the latest version is HTML5. 5 is the latest version. And coming to here, next, HTML tags. So there are two types of tags, two types of available in HTML. One is paid tag, another one is unpaid tags. So paid tag is nothing but the tag which has opening and as well as closing. is comes under this paid tag. So example for this paid tag is, if you take this HTML, HTML fields. Not only this one, you take the paragraph fields. And unpaid tags means the tag which has opening, only opening, not close. Only opening tags comes under this unpaid tags. Unpaid tags also called empty elements. Empty elements. So unpaid tags we have input, br, hr, maze tag, like this. BR stands for break line, HR stands for horizontal rule. So these are unpaid tags. So those tags present in the HTML. And coming to here, HTML structure. See, we're going to discuss about the HTML structure. First thing I'll just explain. So we have HTML editors. So there are two types of editors available in HTML. One is a text editors. Another one is project editors, and also called as IDs, integrated development environment centers. So integrated development environment systems, we can call it as a project editors. Text editors, the basic editors we have Notepad, Notepad++. So these are two basic editors in order to edit the HTML files in the Notepad++. And you can also use these project editors, like we have, it is an open source file from Visual Studio. So this is a open source platform. We can write here. Most of the companies can use this Visual Studio here. It's a free platform. We can download in this Google itself. Visual Studio, Atom, brackets, and WebStar. This is a paid one. You need to buy the license here, and Sublime Text. So these are the editors. And in the Java we know like Eclipse. So these also called the editors. See right now for this HTML structure, I'll just explain here. I'll go with this Visual Studio. Let me go to there, launch this Visual Studio. So this is a Visual Studio. Now I'll just close this one. Now here, to creating the file, we use Ctrl+N to create a new file, and we can save the file with here first program.html. First.html. So I'll go with this desktop and click on this save button. Now I just increase the size. Use Ctrl+. Now I use the shortcut here. We use the shortcut Shift and click on this exclamatory bar. use shift and exclamatory mark and go to this file and I'll provide this auto save option. So by default, it will be the auto save. So I'll use a shortcut there. I use shift and exclamatory mark, click on this enter. Now look at this one. By default, it will provide HTML code here. By default, it will provide HTML code, and I'll remove this. I'll explain the future sessions now. So this is the basic structure of HTML. The basic structure of HTML shows that it starts with the doc type, HTML language attribute, section, and body section, HTML close. And this is a basic structure we can write in the HTML. And here, this one, and this one. We can call it as an opening tag. This one, here, this one, and this one. We can call it as a closing tag. We can call it as a closing tag. This is a closing tag, and the content will be goes the body itself. This is a closing tag, this is opening tag, and content will be written here. We can write the text here. So that is a basic structure of HTML. The next lesson, we will learn what is doc type, why we'll return this language attribute, what is meant by meta tag, why you can write the cat set. I'll show you the next lesson.